Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a smart watch band. And let's go ahead and check out what this thing looks like here. Let's see what we've got. So this is it here. It's a nice big thick one. Get all these pieces and parts out of here. I'll show you what we're talking about. It's very tight in there. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what the band looks like here. I'm currently working with a very small, thin one. Let me take this one off. And then we'll switch them out. Okay, so I have the Apple Watch Series 11, I think. Whatever the newest one is here. This one here, but they do make other ones as well. So my son has the Ultra, so he'll be the one using this one. I'll show you all how it works. So this is the band here. It's a really nice heavy duty metal band. And the way they work is it just slides in where actually this one does fit on mine. There it is. So there, now it's on my watch. Check that out. Boy, that's a nice thick band. Okay, so, and it works just like my other one. Okay, so the way it will work is you'll go there and fold it up, and then you'll have the watch band. And see, my wrist is tiny, and this is a big, huge band. But so what they give you also, actually this one here isn't for the Ultra. It looks like it's for, just perfect, fits perfectly on mine, on this Series 1146. Okay, and then they give you these here, which are the adjusters. So you can change the size of your watch. So if you look at it, here you'll see there's those little dots there. And so what you want to do is you're able to push those through to get them out, and then you can take off a few links. So for me, let's see, I got to take off a lot of links. I have a tiny wrist. I probably have to take off like 4, so I'll take off like 2 on each side. So the way it will work is I will put this, unscrew it, and then what you do is you screw it in, and it goes into those little holes. And me trying to do this with the light shining right in my face, it's very difficult, but you get the idea here. You'll screw it through there, and as it's going through, it pokes out the other side. You see it came through there. So then I can unscrew it again, get this out, and I can take off this little piece here. And then I can take them apart, and then I can take off 2 links here. So I will go and skip to this one, do the same thing, and you get the idea. Basically, you just take them off and then put it kind of clicks when it gets through to a certain point, I guess. So there. So see, there we go. So now I have those off. And then I can just go and put it back together and stick the pin back through the hole. With the smaller one, I'll probably have to push it up against something hard to get it to go back in there. But you get the idea. Now it's 2 links shorter on that side, and then I'll just do the same on the other side. And eventually I will have the right size for me. Very cool. Nice little watch band. That's super cool. It looks nice and black and heavy duty, so thumbs up, very cool. Okay, one also thing I will say about this, I got it into the right size and everything like that here. So this is the band here. And then it also comes with these little screen protectors, and they just flip right over your screen there, and you can touch it and everything works fine. So you have those and everything you have here. So here are all my extra pieces and parts I took off. And here's this here, it comes with a little dust absorber, I guess, too, that you can use to get the goop off of the screen. But pretty straightforward here. Let me just show you guys the instructions here. If you didn't understand what I was saying, this is how it all works. So really cool. Thumbs up.